Hi, this is Sebastian Rendon from the Scrum Dog Millionaires here to demo our sprint work for this sprint. And just to start it off, I will start with the visit notes for all clients across a specified span of time. So if we just go down to the visit notes report, that will show basically all of the client's information. So last name, first name, number of containers returned, whether or not they missed the delivery, and delivery event notes, as well as the date. And this meets acceptance criteria just based off of the fields, and it's sorted off of client ID so that everyone's information is consolidated into just a more organized look. Just makes it easier to read, etc. And then we can go back to reports, and for our missed deliveries report, we basically have the last name, first name, missed delivery, and delivery event date grouped by client ID in order to show basically who we've missed or who they've missed delivery-wise. And we had some troubles with the 2 in a row or 3 in the last 5 filter, and we may have to revisit that later on. And now for the 12-month report. So for clients that have been in the program for 12 months or longer, if we run the report, we see this is basically filtered by date referred, so not equaling the last 364 days, which would mean that the date referred would have to be at least a year ago, and not equal to today, just to deal with some maybe fringe cases that may show up. And this meets acceptance criteria because it shows client ID, last name, first name, and date referred. And it also shows a grand total of the amount of clients that have been in the program for at least 12 months. If we go back to reports, we can see the unique families served quarterly report, which will basically show the client's last name, first name, delivery event date, a field named distinct counter, which is basically used to aggregate a distinct count of the client records. That way it doesn't count every single row, but instead it counts the amount of client IDs, which would total 8. It also shows status and ACCA client referral. And this can also be done for a specified period of time. So the coordinator would just have to go to the from and to calendars and basically select a range of time, and it will automatically refresh once you run the report. As far as progress goes, I think we are ahead of schedule. Like I mentioned earlier, the missed deliveries report we may have to revisit in the future. We had some difficulties with the filtering on that report. But other than that, I think we are right on track. I think we'll be doing some hardening here soon, as well as attempting the dashboard for the coordinator. But yeah, thank you.